I'm bold enough to ask two questions, I think.
Do these questions require boldness?
For my part, sir.
One at a time.
One at a time. My first question is just a short one. A couple of days ago, due to an intermittent fault in the loudspeaker system, people reading namaz in the hall completely lost touch with the namaz. Under such circumstances, as we don't know how long the fault is going to be, what advice do you give the congregation? What should they do under such circumstances?
If you lose touch with what the Imam is saying or doing, it is advisable to wait for a while until you feel that that particular part of namaz, that is rakat, must have been finished. Then you can continue your own prayer. But after giving it a pause of a reasonable time. For example, if you are in a sajda, there is very difficult to decide. Sometimes the Imam intentionally goes for a longer sajda, but then you know the situation and the general habit and everything, so you have to assess. But if it is in the sitting between the two sajdas, obviously you can't wait indefinitely. Within a short time you will realize that the contact has been broken, so you start saying your prayer. And when the contact is revived and you are in a position to judge which act the Imam is involved at this moment, then you start following him from there on. And your namaz will be perfect. There will be no defect as far as the judgment of Allah is concerned in that namaz.